Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, that is Skill India. Today we are going to learn about Kaizen. Now you must be hearing Kaizen in many corporate trainings, or whenever you are learning something related to process. There basically you must be hearing this word like Kaizen. So we'll learn today about Kaizen, like what Kaizen is. Okay. So, a culture of continuous improvement. So, let us see what Kaizen is. Okay. So, what all things we are going to cover under this session? So, the agenda is here. So, these are the things we are going to cover under this session: is what is Kaizen, the origins of Kaizen, key principle of Kaizen, Kaizen-based innovation, type of Kaizen, the Kaizen process, Kaizen in workplace, benefits of Kaizen, and the last one is challenges and consideration of Kaizen. So majorly we are covering all the Kaizen related information here, so that when you will attend the full session, you will get to know like what is Kaizen, where it has been used, what is the benefit of it, and accordingly you can use it in your day-to-day operations. Now let us understand what is Kaizen. So Kaizen is a Japanese term meaning change for better or continuous improvement. The principle of Kaizen is emphasizes small incremental improvements in processes, products and services over time to increase efficiency and quality. The origin of Kaizen. Kaizen was introduced in Japan after the World War II, particularly within the Toyota production system, that is TPS. This concept has influenced by many industries worldwide, from manufacturing to service sector. The key principle of Kaizen. The first one is continuous improvement. Small, consistent changes lead to long-term success. The second one is employee involvement. Every employee from top to bottom contributes to improvements. Standardization. Improvements are standardized for consistency. Waste elimination, Muda, identifying and removing insufficiencies. So basically, whenever we want to grow in our business or in our operations or our services, what the major aspect we need to consider is continuous improvement. Because when we do a continuous improvement, we are continuously learning new things. When you are learning new things, then you can implement new things in your operations. So continuous improvement is very much important. Then the employee involvement, because when employees are involved in each of the initiative from top to bottom, then only we can bring some changes, right? And the standardization, when we are going towards standardization, we can streamline our processes, we can improve our operations services, and it really helps to improve our quality of service. Now let us see like Kaizen based innovation. So Kaizen, the continuous improvement, focuses on small incremental improvements. So basically under Kaizen, we are not targeting the major change or big change. Basically here we are focusing on small things which can bring some changes into the day-to-day life. Whereas innovation involves large level, it is a disruptive changes. So innovation can bring the large level changes, it can make a bigger impact. However, in Kaizen we are focusing on small things, so using small change we can bring the bigger change. The comparison is Kaizen is about consistent or optimization, innovation is about breakthrough changes. Type of kaizen: system kaizen focuses on improvement overall systems. So here basically we are talking about the technological improvement, right? So here under system kaizen we are majorly focusing from the technology point of view or a system point of view, so that through that changes we can bring some improvements in our systems. The second one is the process kaizen, wherein it focuses on implementing specific process. For example, in organization there are multiple processes like hiring process, then sales process, delivery process, operational processes. So under process kaizen we are majorly focusing on how we can improve in our processes and bring the change into the operation. The third one is team kaizen, where it involves small teams working to improve specific tasks or areas. The fourth one is in individual kaizen. It encourages personal improvement in work habits. So basically individual kaizen is for an individual person. The person can bring some changes in their day-to-day operations, day-to-day things, day-to-day work, and bring some change. The kaizen processes: the first one is identify problems or opportunities for improvement, because when we know the problem, when we know the opportunities, then only we can do the improvement. So it is very much important that we should know the problem, or we should know like what all opportunities are there. The second one is analyze and plan the improvement. So when you know the problem, you need to analyze that, like what is the problem, how we need to resolve, what all things will bring when you will resolve this problem. So accordingly you can analyze and plan for the improvements for this problem or opportunities. The third one is implement small change. So here basically we are not targeting to change the overall process, the overall organization. So out of those problems we need to implement the small changes, so that with the small changes we can bring the bigger impact or bigger improvements. The fourth one is evaluate result. So when we will implement the changes, we need to also evaluate the result, so that we will get to know like whether we are on the right track or we still need to do something better. The fifth one is standardize successful changes. So those are the changes which are really making some good impact. Then we can standardize those successful changes. Kaizen in the workplace. In this employee empowerment, kaizen encourages employees at all the levels to suggest improvements. The second one is teamwork. It collaborative problem solving and decision making. Example: a production line worker suggesting a small change to speed up assembly. Right, this is very good example. So here you can see like the people who are actually working on field, they know what are the problem they face and they also know the solution. So if they are suggesting any change, and if we focus on those change, and we can by implementing those change, we can improve the process, or we can improve the speed, we can improve the our production. So those small changes can really make a big impact. Now this is very important slide which is about the benefits of Kaizen. The improved efficiency, where continuous improvement streamline the operations. So when we continuously bringing some new improvements or new changes, it streamline the operations. Now you see like everybody, we all are using phones. So which all operating systems are there? For example, if it is an Android OS, then the Android continuously pushing the new updates. Why? To streamline the operations, right? To stable that problems or those issues. So it definitely helps to improve and streamline the operations. The second one is cost saving, wherein we can the waste reduction and better resource utilization. Because when we are doing the continuous improvement, we can do the better utilization. We can reduce the number of errors, number of faults, or number of waste. So it also helps to save the cost. The third one is enhance quality, where focus on quality control and defect prevention. The last one is employee satisfaction. So it involves in decision making and boosts the morale for the employee or the team. Now let us see the challenges and the consideration. Resistance to change. Some employee may resist for the continuous change. This is the bigger problem everywhere we face. Like there are few people who are resistant for the change. They are not comfortable to bring some changes, or or they are not okay to adopt the new processes. The second one is time commitment. Regular evaluation and small changes require a time. So sometimes it becomes time consuming activity as well, wherein people are not comfortable for that. But yeah, this is really needed. The third one is sustainability. Keeping improvements ongoing require dedication, because every changes may not be helpful, or every changes may not really make a good impact. Sometimes we fail. So for that we need a dedication as well, because through dedication only we can bring those changes into the system. So that's it for today's session. If you have any question, any query, feel free to reach out to us through comments. If you wanted to learn any new topic, any new technology, that also you can comment, and we will definitely try our best to have a session on those topic, on that topic. So thank you for attending this session. Happy learning. Thank you so much. Have a good day.